Today we talk about how can you select language on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to change your app, or sorry, your language on your app, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, then you just click here on settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on language here. In here you will find all language. Can you select it in this list here to change it on your app? So that's all you have to do to change your language. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.